found a whole chicken on sale for $8.45. That is amazing. Trying not to get this chicken juice all over the place. Oh God. Whew. I think its heart or liver or something just fell out of it. Okay. Respect the chicken. Ugh. All right. Hello, my name is Alec, and today we're gonna be breaking down a whole chicken. So, first thing you wanna do is you wanna dry it off just so it's not leaking juices everywhere. And then the first cut you wanna make is right between the leg and the thigh right here. I mean the leg and the breast right here. So you cut this open and you can kind of see inside and you can see where you're cutting. So just cut along that. And then you do the same thing on the other side. And you can crack these bones kind of out of their sockets, and then you can just cut around or cut through it. And there we have one leg and one thigh. You can set that aside. I have a bowl here that I'm putting it in. Another leg and thigh. Putting that in the bowl over here as well. Okay, and then we can get these wings. So for the wings, you can kind of just look at the natural crease right here. You want to cut along that. Then you can just break it. Break it open. And then you can just remove it, just like that. Same thing for the other side. You can just remove that, just like that. And now we have the breasts. So if you feel right here, you can actually feel the spine, and you kind of just want to go to one side of the spine. So the spine would be like in the middle, and you kind of just want to feel where it's at and go to one side of it. So I'm gonna go on the left side right here and kind of just cut as close as I can to the spine and work my way down. And right there, I have a breast. And you can get rid of some of the skin. Honestly, I like to take the skins off my breasts, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And taking the skin off is pretty straightforward. It's pretty easy. You just lift it up and remove it. And you can keep the skin to make stock with. That's really good in stock. Really good to make stock with. I'm just gonna trim it up a little bit, get all these little fat bits off. And there's a nicely trimmed chicken breast. I'm gonna do the other side. Same thing, just go all the way down. I'm gonna take the skin off of this one as well. And this right here is the tenderloin. That usually just comes right off. And did I even get that off the other one? I didn't. Okay, I'm gonna take the tenderloin off of this one as well. Just like that. Delicious. I'm gonna take the skin off this one as well. I'm gonna also trim off the little bits of fat. All right. And that's another beautiful chicken breast right there. And now you have this carcass and some extra skin left over. This is really good for making stock. So I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna use that to make stock later. Got another bowl here that I'm just gonna throw the bones and the carcass in, and the skin. And you can go ahead and, if there's a lot of chicken juice, just kind of make sure you have extra paper towels next to you, because there's gonna be a lot of chicken juice. Just try to keep your little area clean. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to separate the leg from the thighs. So you have a leg and a thigh here. So you just wanna follow the natural crease, which is right here. Make a cut right here. Till you feel the bone, and then you can just kinda crack that, go around it. I kind of screwed that one up. All right, so there's a chicken leg. Now I'm gonna show you how to remove the bone from the thigh. So you can just kind of cut against the bone right here. You can kind of just like cut around it best you can. And there you have a thigh. Now you have a bone. Save that for stock. Now I'm gonna do the other leg and thigh. Same thing, just natural crease right here. Let's see if I can do this one a little bit better. Yeah, there we go. And just like that. Now you have a thigh and a chicken leg. There's another leg and another thigh. Oh yeah. Well, yeah, another thigh. I'm gonna take the bone out of this one as well. Kind of just cut down into the bone and then kind of go around it. Bone, there's a bone right there. All right, just like that. It's a little bit of a bone right there. Got another bone. And there we go, we have another thigh. So we have two skin-on, boneless thighs, which you can't really find in stores. All right, now for the wings. So you have this little pointy part. On this side, you just want to find that natural crease, which is right here. Just cut down, crack that bone, and then you can just kind of go through it just like that. So you got a wing there. And then this part, you can kind of just cut through here. Yeah, you can just cut through this. Now you have this wing, and this is good for stock as well. And the same thing for the other one. Stock, and another chicken wing. And that is how you break down a whole chicken. You got 2 legs, 2 thighs, 2 breasts, 2 tenderloins, and 4 wings. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands. Always wash your hands when you're handling raw meat, especially chicken. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. My name is Alec, and I'll see you in the next one.